Tak jsme tady potkali bezva partu chlápků z Itálie a z Francie, kteří si tady dávají úplný nesmysly. A ze Španělska, pardon, úplný nesmysly na wakeboardu. Jezdí překážky, dělají rotace, backsidy a tak dále, tak vám o to trošku něco řeknou.
Thank you. I am Meme from Italy, and we are the Gangsta Life crew, Seatwake Broken Riders. We go riding cable around the world, and this year we came to Phuket Wake Park in Thai. Now we are 5 guys, we have to be 6. And Seatwake riding is really a great sport for everybody. It's good for everybody and it's healthy for everybody. So I hope that this kind of sport goes good also in Czech Republic.
Girl, and you know it. You act so different around me.